lot of the core market that would have interest in machine tending are companies that are known as job shops. When you think of traditional automation, you think of getting a low mix, high volume run. So companies that are going to be setting something up, and after they get the system implemented, they can run thousands of parts. Most of these job shops, they're not sure. I mean, in a given day, they might be able to change over 15, 20 times in a day, which sounds a little crazy, but it's not unheard of.
But many of my customers have that exact need. And once we understand it, we can provide a solution that allows them to do just that.
Exactly.
We put recipes into the program that allow them to make a tooling change, make the part changes, and then run the number of parts they require.